What's up, BP athletes? Spence, Crosby giving you guys another exclusive video. And today I'm going to give you guys 3 tips to not only improving your pull-up game, but increasing the amount of pull-ups you're already doing. So, stay tuned. So, we are finally in the gym. As you guys can see, our official Build Up Physiques is finally here. Well, it's already been here, but we're here. The weather is nice in Michigan, so now we're ready to shoot videos. I'm ready to give you guys the exciting content that I promise you will leave a mark on you, so stay tuned. And guys, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button followed by the notification bell. That way you're notified for future release videos. And so when it comes to pull-ups, although they're one of the most hardest exercises you can do, they're also one of the most beneficial. And why is that? Because you're pulling your entire body weight. Unlike push-ups, you're only pushing up a certain percentage of your body weight. So I'm gonna give you guys 3 of my favorite pull-up tips that I also provide for my clients as well. And so the first tip we're gonna get into is Australian pull-ups. Now, Australian pull-ups are great for beginners when it comes to developing pull-up strength. So you're gonna find a barbell or a bar, hold it close to your waistline. You're gonna get in the position and you're just gonna pull. Now, this exercise is great for developing your lats, your teres minor and major, as well as overall scapular strength. You also can make this exercise harder or easier. So if you wanna make it easier, the more you stand upright, the easier the exercise is. The shorter, or let's say the feet away from your body, the harder the exercise is. So you pick whatever you want to start with and you go from there, and that's how you develop great pull-up strength. This exercise is also great for even my advanced athletes out there. The second tip I have to offer are pull-ups with the bands. And so, you find a pull-up band. This is probably the easiest one. This is one of the more harder ones. We're gonna start with the harder one, or the easier one. You're gonna wrap it around the bar, and you're locking it in. So get your foot up in the band with the other one. Get in pull-up position, and you're just gonna pull. Now the pull-up band is a great fundamental tool to use to improve your pull-up game, whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete. Now let's say this band is getting a little too easy for you and you want to move over to a harder band. Well, you get the harder one, same concept applies. Move it in. Go ahead and get up in it. And just pull up. Now, pull-up bands are great when it comes to increasing your pull-up strength because you can either increase or decrease your body weight depending upon the band you would like to use. And last, and personally, my favorite pull-up tip is doing a negative pull-up. And so doing negatives of any exercise is going to eventually give you that positive movement. And so, how do you start off with a negative pull-up? You simply jump up there and slowly lower yourself down. Jump up and slowly let it down. And you can also use a pull-up band to help with your negative pull-ups. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please follow me across both my Facebook and Instagram at Building Physiques. Also guys, please go ahead and like and share, and don't forget to comment in the section below on future workout videos you guys would like to see. I am signing off, BP Crew. Peace out, and I will see you guys next week.